Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my first experience spray painting a ganache cake. It's not just any cake, it's a heart-shaped cake, special for any occasion. I already ganached my cake before and now I'm spray painting it. Using black edible spray paint, I carefully cover the cake in even strokes, making sure that it looks even and perfect. The key here is to keep the spray gun at a consistent distance from the cake to avoid any uneven coverage and drips. The heart-shaped cake is right on trend and the black spray paint gives it a sleek, modern look. It's perfect for any celebration. Here's to finishing off the final part. When the spray painting is done, it's important to clean the cake board and everywhere around the cake so that you don't mess anything. You don't mess your hands, you don't mess your clothes. It's very important to clean everything. And for this part, you need a wet cloth. Kitchen paper will not clean perfectly. A wet cloth is perfect for this part. Here my cake is ready, it's done, it's clean and it's black on the sides, just the way I wanted. After letting the paint dry in the fridge for like an hour, now I'm adding the finishing touches to make the cake pop. Remember, practice makes perfect, so you don't need to be afraid to experiment and find your own style for this cake design. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious creations. Happy baking, everyone.